Okay, so I'm going to very quickly show you how to add a Google Doc from your Google Drive into your Google Classroom for your students. So I am going to go to classwork because I have my classes broken down into topics or subjects. So let's just say that I have something that I want to put in math or reading or any of my other subjects. I'm first going to go to create, and MES is an assignment. Is it a quiz? Is it a question? You know, what is it that you're trying to do here? I'm just going to click on assignment, a little assignment, and I'm going to call this practice assignment. Okay, so when I go to the Add button, I'm clicking on this Google Drive because my document is in Google Drive. And here's my practice assignment. I click on that, that's what I want to use, and I click Insert. That is going to insert. Now this is key. This is very important. When you look at this drop-down menu, you've got students can view file. They all have the same file. Students can edit file. Well, if Johnny edits the file and then Tyrone gets on the file and edits it, he can change what Johnny did to his own answers. So what you want to do is make a copy for each student. If this is something that you want the students to be working on, you want them to have their own copy so that they're not getting in working on the same document and canceling out each other's work. Make a copy for each student. You have to do this if you want them to be able to write on it. My topic, I can put this under math, I can put this under reading, I can put this under any of my topics. I'm going to actually put it under virtual school basics. This is just a real simple 3 little questions, something that I came up with just so my students can practice, and then I'm going to click assign. When I click assign, that document has been assigned to all of my students in Google Classroom. They have their own document from which to type and then to turn in. Thank you.